Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we get a lot to talk about. Coinbase making some big moves today in that one of their ex-managers was actually arrested. We'll talk about that in this video. We'll also talk a little bit more about Elon Musk selling so many Bitcoin with Tesla, exactly how much they sold. We'll chat about that in this video. Also, you got to keep in mind here what's coming next. A lot of these crypto influencers right now on YouTube are saying that the bottom is not yet in. Some are saying it's in, some aren't. What's the debate here and what will actually happen? Next, we'll talk about that more in today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you haven't done so already, make sure you tap on that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want. We're going to keep the content coming at you guys. If you like free money, take advantage of links in the description down below. Let's take a peek at the charts for the day. So peeking here at cryptocurrency, you're looking at $1 trillion market cap currently. We're hanging in there, and you know what? Like I said in my recent video, and I'm going to show you more of it today, there's some bad news going on left and right, from Senator Elizabeth Warren trying to crack down on crypto, to people bashing the crypto mining industry, to Celsius and all these other programs and Three Arrows Capital that are collapsing and crashing and falling down. And there's so many different bad stories, but Bitcoin is still coming back up 12% over the last 7 days, and Ethereum still up 32% over the last 7 days. Bitcoin hanging on to 23,000, Ethereum hanging on to 1,500, and the rest of the market is doing the same. We've got double digits over the last 7 days on all these coins. Now, one thing I've been saying in my videos recently is that, you can't go down forever. This could just be a relief rally, and then we could go back down. That's certainly the case. But I am shocked on what some of these large crypto channels are saying, that 10K is almost inevitable. You're hearing on that some of the biggest channels. I don't want to name names, but I've heard a lot of really high up influencers saying, that $10,000 Bitcoin's coming, and some of them are even saying they're not even buying until it hits those levels. I'm of the mindset where we're going to DCA consistently throughout this bear market, and maybe we come out of it a little earlier. Who knows? I mean, it could potentially happen. And I'm also going to say that I do really believe that 10K Bitcoin could be in the cards. Really, nothing's out of the question with crypto. I'm ready for anything, but I know one thing. Over time, crypto will go up. At least that's what I believe. This isn't financial advice, but, we believe in crypto here at the Crypto Report. So, a story that came out today that didn't really affect the market. Tesla has dumped 75% of its Bitcoins. We talked about that, and talking specifically about the value of it, they cashed out $936 million in Bitcoin. That has been established. And if you look at the Bitcoin chart, you can actually see exactly when that sell-off was. So they announced this for their second quarter earnings. And I told you yesterday, it barely took down the market. It took down the market a little bit. But we're still holding strong, and this is really, really exciting. I said it in yesterday's video, and I'll say it again today. The fact that Tesla and them selling this amount of Bitcoin didn't crash the market back down to 20,000, back below 20,000 for Bitcoin, I think that's really great. I think that means we have a very strong rally happening right now. Also, an ex-Coinbase manager was just arrested in the U.S. for crypto insider trading, which is really big. The SEC is all over crypto, attacking not only XRP, but many, many others here in this space, Coinbase ex-manager included. So this was coming. Insider trading ain't so good. There's a lot of politicians that are doing that too with different technologies. Politicians and their husbands or their wives, they know some of the news that's coming. These things got to be looked into. People can't be doing things like this because it's really not fair for the rest of us. And we really want crypto to become the next big thing because it creates a fairer market overall. So that's something we got going on. But these two stories, Bitcoin's still hanging on to $23,000, guys. So very, very exciting. I'm pretty bullish here for the midterm, short to midterm. I think we could potentially get back up to $30,000. So I'll just say it. I think in the next 2 months we could see a $30,000 Bitcoin, and then we could potentially go back down or trade sideways. I don't expect an all-time high to come this year. I don't expect an all-time high to come next year. I truly do believe that the all-time high will be achieved next in 2024, 2025, maybe 2026. But it's going to be a couple of years, and that goes for one reason and one reason only. It's because the Bitcoin halving is coming up, and that's exactly what we're waiting on here. And in the meantime, we're just DCing. We are dollar cost averaging. We are buying the dip. And we are buying when others are fearful. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index over the last month was very low. It's climbing higher, and it's getting less fearful, but it's still very, very fearful. So you're still getting a very good price on Bitcoin, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys are buying in the chat box down below. If you like Bitcoin, well, then you're probably going to like some of these other altcoins. I got altcoins. I got Bitcoin. I love crypto. Let me know what you love out there. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.